Creating content has never been this simple. If you're new to AI tools, I've got something exciting to share today. Let me introduce you to Similar Video, an AI-powered tool that helps you create videos in minutes. If you're making TikToks, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels, this tool opens up so many possibilities. In this video, I'll walk you through what Similar Video can do, how to get started, and how you can use it to go viral. Don't worry if you've never used an AI tool before. I'll explain every step so it's easy to follow. Okay, first, click the link in the description. It'll take you to Similar Video AI. Once you're there, sign up for a free account. There's a free trial, so you don't have to pay anything right away. Now, let's talk about what Similar Video AI can do because it's packed with some really cool features. First, there's the AI avatar feature. If you want to add an avatar to your short video, it's super easy. You can pick a celebrity avatar or even upload your own custom avatar. Next is the AI script generator. If you already have a script, just paste it into the text box, and the AI will create a video for you. It adds voices and animations automatically, which saves you so much time. Then we've got the AI voice generator. This one's really fun. You can choose from a bunch of voices, including ones that sound like celebrities. For example, you could use a voice that sounds like Donald Trump, or you can pick some meme-style voices if you're feeling creative. Another awesome feature is the AI text-to-video. All you have to do is type in a prompt, or upload your script, and the AI will make a video based on it. It's fast, and it looks great. And finally, there's the powerful video editor. This tool is so easy to use. You can create and edit timelines without any trouble. Alright, once you log into the workspace, you'll see a simple and clean dashboard. Right away, you'll notice two big options: Similar Video and Text-to-Video. Each of these is for different types of projects. So let's take a closer look and see which one works best for you. First, let's talk about the Similar Video feature. It's super cool. This feature helps you copy the style of trending videos that are already doing really well on social media. It's perfect if you want to make videos for products. Let me explain how to use it step by step. First, find a trending video you like. Open your favorite platform and search for videos in your niche. For example, if you're into fitness, you might look for a video about quick workout routines. Once you find a video you like, copy its URL. Now, go back to the Similar Video AI website and paste the URL into the box. Next, the tool will ask for your brand name and some details about your product. This part is really important because it helps the AI match the video to your brand. For example, I type Bunny Lamp as my brand name. Then, write a short description of the product. You can also add product pictures if you want. This step is optional. After that, click on Similar Script Rewrite. The AI works super fast, usually in less than a minute, and gives you 3 draft scripts. It even shows you the script from the original video so you can compare. Once you pick a script you like, click Next. Now comes the fun part. On the left side of the editor, you can choose how your video starts. Do you want a hook, some B-roll, or maybe a celebrity sticker or viral voiceover? For this example, I'll start with a hook. On the right side, you can pick a celebrity hook and a celebrity voice to make your video stand out. There are lots of celebrity options to choose from. You can even upload your own hook, create an avatar, or clone a voice. I'll show you how to do that later, so stay tuned. For now, let's pick Margot Robbie as the celebrity hook. There are 5 clips of her available. I'll choose one, click on it, and now I've got my hook ready. Next, click Generate. This takes you to the editor. The AI will automatically add B-rolls for you, which saves a lot of time. If you don't like something, you can easily replace it. You can also change the music, captions, and background effects in the settings to make everything perfect. Once everything looks good, just click Export and your video is ready to go.
Meet the delightful Bunny Lamp. This charming nightlight offers a gentle, soothing glow, ideal for easing children into a restful...
Before we move on to the text-to-video option, let me show you how to create your own viral avatar. It's super easy and fun. First, click on My Avatar in the menu. Now, start by giving your avatar a name. For this example, I'll type Donald Trump. Next, upload an image for your avatar. It can be any picture you want. After that, you can clone a voice for your avatar. For now, I'm uploading a Donald Trump voice for cloning. But here's the cool part. You can upload any voice you like and clone it. Let's listen to it for a moment.
Hello, this is what I sound like. Hope you like it.
Sounds pretty good, doesn't it? The voice cloning is really impressive. Finally, you can add stickers to your avatar and even upload some funny hooks. Once you've done all that, your avatar is ready to go. Alright, now let's see how to use your custom AI avatar and check out how the text-to-video feature works. Okay, let's talk about the text-to-video feature. This tool lets you turn any script into a professional video in just a few easy steps. Let me show you how it works. First, write your script or paste it into the text box. After that, add any images you want and click Next. On the next screen, you'll see two options. On the left, you can pick your visual style, and on the right, you can choose your uploaded avatar hook or avatar sticker. Once you've made your choices, click Generate. After a few seconds, you'll be in the editor section. Here, you can make final changes to your video. If everything looks good, just click Export, and your video will be saved to your device. It's that easy. Now, let's take a quick look at the pricing plans for similar video AI. The first plan is the starter plan, which costs $19 per month. It's great for beginners or those just testing the tool. Next is the standard plan, which is $19 for the first month and $30 per month after that. This is perfect if you have a small business and need something affordable. Finally, there's the Pro plan, which is $79 per month. This one gives you access to advanced features and high-quality exports. It's a good choice if you're a growing creator or running a bigger business. And that's it. Similar Video AI makes creating amazing videos so simple and fast. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.